Okay everyone, I'm Anisa and here I really disagree with the motion number 2 that say that homework is wasting time. Why does this motion emerge actually? I don't really agree with this motion actually, and what is the problem if the teacher gives the homework for the students? It's not too bad to give the homework to the students. However, it gives many advantages for the students itself. And when some people say that it will be the burden for the students, like they are really tired after study in the school, so they have to do the homework in their home, and then it's too tiring to do homework. I think it's a logical reason. And then how can it was the time? However, I think it's not too bad to give the student homework. And okay, I would like to explain you about the advantages of giving the homework for the student. For the first, teacher give the homework for the student. Of course, it has the goal setting. Why? Because the teacher wants their students to study again in their home, like brushing the lesson up about the lesson that they have got from the school, so they open again the material, so they understand about the material, or they can study about the material that will they get for the next meeting. For example, the teacher gives the homework about the next material, so when the next meeting, the students can be more ready for study because they have understood about what they did in their home with the homework. That's why I think it's not too bad to give the homework for student. And second, I think homework can give the ability for students to manage their time. It's about the time management. So when the people say that it can waste the time, so students cannot do interaction with their friend or the neighbor, I think it's illogical because if the students can manage their time, for example, they do the homework after school. After school, they directly do the homework. Then they continue again in the evening or in the night. They still have time to interaction with the people or the parents or maybe the neighbors. It's not waste to time, I think. Then the teacher know the how much the homework that should be given to their students. The teacher has known about that. And the third is it is good giving the homework for the students because the students can use their time with the golden time. I mean, it's not the worst time, but I mean it's very the golden times for the students because they can use their time to study more, they more understand about the lesson by doing the homework in the home. And then yeah, it's really will increase their knowledge. And then but the question is why the people want to delay the homework. Because of the reason that it can be the burden for the student. No, it's not an alternative solution, but the solution is we still need homework for the student because of some reason that I have explained last time. Yeah, we still need the homework for students, but we can change the system. Maybe we can give the applicative homework, like it's really not too much, but it is really a alternative for the student itself. And then I really disagree if people say that homework is very wasting time. I really disagree because it's not the reason, because homework has many advantages for students, and it's really useful for education. Okay, I think that's some my arguments that I still disagree with this motion. Thank you.